Hi, hello, good day students. Welcome to another learning episode with Miss Kim. Are you ready? Let's begin. At the end of this video, you should be able to first, identify the place value names in a large number. Second, give the place value of the given digit in a number. Do you have any idea what is our topic? You are right. It's all about place value. Place value of large number. What is a place value? It is a place or position of a digit in a number. So, I have here a place value chart. We are going to use this in identifying the place value of each digit. In a place value chart, you can find the names of periods. Period is like a family name of each place value. So we have the highest period. At the left side, we have millions, followed by, to its right, we have thousands, and the smallest period we have units. Okay? So under each period are the names of place value. So in under units, we have ones, tens, and hundreds. Then, in thousands period, we have thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Next, in millions period, we have millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Class, it is very important that you observe the correct spelling of each place value. We name the place value of each digit in a number from the rightmost digit going to the leftmost digit. Every digit in a number has a place value. So, from rightmost digit, the order is ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Please take note that you have to follow the correct order of the place value. Let's have an example. 400,678,015. So we have to start from the rightmost digit, which is 5. And digit 5 will be in ones place. Very good. Next digit to its left is digit 1. And digit 1 will be in tens place. Next digit, we have the digit 0. And digit 0 is in hundreds place. So we're done in units period. Let's move to the next digit in thousands period. So we have 8. And 8 is in thousands place. Next, we have digit 7, and digit 7 is in 10,000s place. Next digit under thousands period is the digit 6, and so digit 6 is in 100,000s place. Now, let's proceed to the next group of digits in millions period. We have the digit 0, so digit 0 is in millions place. Next, another 0, and that is in 10 millions place. And the last digit, we have the digit 4. So it's in 100 millions place. So as you can see, all the digits have their place value names. So in our given example, the highest place value of a digit is, what do you think? What is the highest place value? It's 100 millions place. That's correct. Did you get it, students? Okay, let's have more examples. 4,787,653. So we have to start from the rightmost digit, which is 3. So that is ones, then 5, tens, then we have 6, that's hundreds, and then 7, thousands, then 8, it will be 10,000s, and of course 7, 100,000s, and the last 4 is millions place. And so the highest place value here is millions. Now let's have this number, 534,678,901. Always remember that we name the place value of the digits in a number from rightmost digit going to the leftmost digit. So 1 is ones. Next, 0 is tens. Very good. Next, 9 is hundreds. Then 8 is, what do you think? The place value of 8 here is thousands. Very good. Next digit, digit 7, the place value is, after thousands, it 10 is 10,000s. Next, digit 6 is 100,000s. Digit 4 is, after 100,000s, we have millions. Then digit 3 is 10 millions place, and digit 5, the highest place, is 100 millions place. And these are the place value names in a 9-digit number. In our next example, try to find or identify the place value of the box digit. As you can see in this number, all the digits are the same, but they differ in their place value. So again, we have to start naming from rightmost digit to the leftmost digit. Follow the proper order. So the first 8 is ones place. Then, of course, the second 8 is in tens place. Next 8 is hundreds place. Then the next 8 is in thousands place. So what do you think is the place value of the boxed 8? That is 10,000s place. Very good. Again, the boxed 8 is in 10,000s place. Let's have this number, 347,236,003. For example, you have to get the place value of 7. So 3 is ones. Then 0 is tens. Another 0 to its left is hundreds. Next, after hundreds, that is 1,000. So 6 is in thousands place. Then, next digit, we have 3, that is in 10,000s place. After 3, we have 2, so it's in 100,000s place. And so, the answer or the place value of 7 is in millions place. In 347,236,003, 7 is in millions place. Let's have 67,085,147. For example, you have to get the place value of the box digit, which is 0. Again, start naming from right to the left. 7 is ones. Then 4 is tens. After tens, the place value name is hundreds. So 1 is hundreds. After hundreds, the next place value is thousands, and 5 is thousands. After that, after thousands is 10,000s place. And so, digit 0 is, what is the answer? It is in 100,000s place. Very good. Let's have more. 5,906,421. Okay, get the place value of 6. Uh, we have to start from the rightmost digit. The first place value is ones. So 1 is ones. Then 2 is tens. Very good. Next, 4 is after tens. The place value name is hundreds. And so the correct answer or the place value of 6 is thousands place. Very good. That's correct. So as you can see, it is easy to identify the place value if you are familiar with place value names. Now try to give the place value of the under. How did you find it? Always remember that place value is a place or position of a digit in a number. We name the place value of a digit in a number from right to the left, following the order ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Thank you. That's all for today. Goodbye.